Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make egg meringue. Begin by separating yolks from whites and leave no yolk traces. Use a clean bowl and beaters, and bring whites to room temperature for more volume. Whisk from low to high speed until soft peaks form, then add sugar gradually to reach glossy stiff peaks. Fold in flavorings gently and bake or torch as directed for crisp shells and tender interiors. Whisking technique makes or breaks meringue, so focus on steady progress and texture changes. Begin at low speed to build many tiny air bubbles, then increase speed to firm them up. Add sugar a spoonful at a time, ensuring it dissolves and the mixture stays glossy. Watch closely for stiff peaks that still bend slightly at the tip, then stop whisking to avoid grainy or overbeaten results and move to shaping. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing delicate meringues simple and mess-free, and they stack well in small fridges. They are great for transporting finished desserts or storing leftovers without spills, which keeps your kitchen tidy. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Flavoring and baking require gentle handling to keep meringues airy and stable. Fold extracts or zest in carefully after you reach the desired peak stage to avoid deflating the foam. Pipe or spoon onto a lined tray and bake at low temperature until dry to the touch for crisp exteriors or slightly softer for marshmallow interiors. Allow meringues to cool slowly in the turned-off oven to reduce cracking and maintain shape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.